Hi, welcome to my English Learning Corner. Today we are looking at verbs. And verbs are words that describe an action or something you do or are doing. Like, for example, at the moment I am speaking to you. So I am doing the action of speaking. And since this is part one, we will be looking at very basic verbs and how to use them in this slide. So, is there it is. So is will be a position where I can see it, all right, in this sentence. Then was is past tense. Something happened before or yesterday. It was here a minute ago. So I'm looking for something, but I cannot find it. Where can it be? Then we have are. You are sure, right? So are is making sure that what you are saying or thinking is a solid thing, a solid idea. Then we have be, it will be fine. Everything is always fine. We just have to find the silver lining. Have, it is easy to have. So, have is when you receive something and you have it in your hands or in your thoughts. Would, I would like to go home. Most people would like to go home. Been, it has been going well. So has been will be the operative phrase. Did, I already did it before. So did is the past tense of doing something. Okay, so the past tense of a verb is did. Does, she does this every time. So does is a general way of referring to something being done. Should, it should be here somewhere. So, where is it? It should be here somewhere. Should. So, it has to. No, it should. I am. I am Jenny. So, that is the same as saying, my name is Jenny. Had. I had it in my hand. So, my hands are empty, but I had it in my hands. Were. We were here earlier. So you can say, we went to the restaurant, and then later you go to the restaurant again, and then you say, we were here earlier. Can, it can happen easily. It can happen easily. So this is a possibility. Do, how do you do that? So, how can you do this action? So, if I say I'm writing, someone can ask, how do you do that? So then they don't know how to write. Will, it is my will and I will choose. So this is your choice, something you decide to do. Has, it has to be done now. This is important to complete now. Could, I could help you later, yes. So I could is a possibility, maybe. May I help you? This is asking you if it is possible that you need my help. Must, you must feed the dogs now. Must is something that is very urgent and it has to happen right now. Let, they will let you if you ask. So, let is to give you permission to do something. So, you're not sure if you can do it. So, you have to ask. And then they might give you permission. Might, we might be going to the beach. So this also shows towards it's possible, it might happen, but it might also not happen. So the first verb is said, the past tense of having words leave your mouth. So at the moment I'm speaking, so I said at the moment I am speaking, right? Because I said it before, past tense. Then we have use, using a specific tool, skill, or building a particular purpose. So if you are watching this video on your phone or on your laptop, you are using or you use your phone to watch the video. Then we have make, bring into being by forming, shaping, or altering material into various new items. So, make is when you are putting things together to make something new. Like, to enjoy or approve of something or someone, to feel attraction towards, to take pleasure in. So, like is when you go on your phone and you're scrolling and you see something which is like, oh, this is nice, I like it. And then you give a thumbs up in social media world. Look is when you use your eyes to see something. So at the moment, you are looking at me through your screen, right? So to direct your eyes in order to see or trying to find something or someone can also be the way you appear. So I look like a woman. I'm an adult woman, right? This picture does not look like a human, never mind a person, but you can see that it's a smiley face. So it looks friendly. But here, the look is of a person, right? You just cannot see their face. Like this part is not there. Then you have write, which is to form characters while you are studying. Then we have go, and go is to move on a course or to proceed. So go is like moving around. So I can go here, I can go here, I can go here, and I can go here. So that is how you use go. See. Now, earlier in a previous section, we did see, like SEA, but this one is the see with your eyes. So to use your eyes to look at something. In this picture, I see a woman with long hair and a white shirt on. Then we have call, right? To call someone, or you can call someone. To speak loudly so that a distant person or animal can hear you, or to use the name that is specific to a person or thing. It can also refer to a phone conversation. So here, they're on a video call. But if I call your name, I will say, hey, what's your attention like? All right. So I really hope that this helped you and that you have gained some insight into English verbs. Enjoy your day.